FedEx is here. My delivery. Special surprise coming. There it is. Let's go sign it. So here it is, the box. This is for the RSX. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Look what's inside the box. Sparco seats. Wow. Oh wow. Put the camera down. So here it is, Sparco Sprint for the RSX. Hopefully it fits. Alright, just gotta cut the plastics off. Alright, so here's my seat. After all the covering, plastic stuff that's out. So I mean, I never had a bucket seat before, so this is the first time ever trying one of these on, and it looks pretty nice. Fits me pretty good. I think the only thing is the upper shoulder pad up here is kind of small for my shoulder, but the Sprint is the smaller version of the Sparco seats for smaller people. So for now it'll do, but this is how the seat looks like. I decided to go with blue because I want to go car. As you all know, the RSX is blue, so I kind of want to go with the blue theme. So that's why I picked up the blue. So I'm waiting for my brackets to come in. So when that all comes in, then I'll mount it on the RSX and see how it looks. But as far as fitment wise, down here fits me pretty good. Just the shoulder area that's kind of tight. It's like I'm right on the edge. But I think it'll be all right. This is FIA approved. So here's the sticker right here. So it's the lower end seat from Sparco, or like they said, entry level. So that's why I picked it up. Eventually I'll go with their Sparco Evo seats down the road, but for now I'll try this one and see how it does. Pretty sure it'll be way better than stock seats. So, but yeah, besides the shoulder area, I think everything else fits pretty good. I'm roughly 5'8". I have about 34-inch waist and roughly weighing in at around 195 pounds. So but yeah, that's it. This is my unboxing of my new to me Sparco seats. So hopefully you guys liked it. I know I'm excited for it. Excited for the season. Hopefully this seat will allow me to sit in a better position. So yeah, I guess that's it. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out.